What's up, guys? Intelitech Studios here. Oh, hey, look, a package. Let's open it. We got some scissors, and, oh, it's the wrong way. Go figure. Open. There we go. Alright, this is a Bissell 3-in-1 vac. But yeah, I got this because, well, I don't have one. Just kidding, I have 5 of these. But I bought this one because I was going to sell off the other ones. And because at the time I didn't have one. So now I have a bunch of them. So this is the unboxing and the assembly tutorial of the Bissell 3-in-1 lightweight vacuum. This one's a limited edition color. It's the model number... Where's the model number? Oh, I just dumped the entire thing out. It is model number 2030U. Ow. Okay, so now it has been unboxed. Now inside the box we have nothing. Then we have the handle. We have the owner's manual. We have cardboard. We have more cardboard. We have the floor nozzle. Take it out of the package, like that. We've got this thing. Take that out of the package. We've got the handle. Take this out of the package. Very simple. Now we take this little floor head, we put it up like this, and then we take this little piece. Ooh, this looks nice. And we put it on like so. Oh, easier said than done. You just take this and put it on like that and push it in until it locks into place. Just like that. Now we take this little thing, flip it upwards. Why is this not focusing? Flip this upwards so that way if you want to use it as a stick back, we can take the handle with the handle facing towards the rear and put it in like this. You can see a little notch, put the clip into the notch, and it's fully assembled. Now we have the stick vac completely assembled. Then we take the cord, undo the twist tie that they graciously provide for free in the packaging, and wind the cord around this winder and this winder. And then now the thing is fully assembled. Now, I thought this thing came with a crevice tool. Apparently it doesn't. So, no crevice tool in this box. What you see is what you get. So, that is the quick unboxing and assembly tutorial of the Bissell 3-in-1 lightweight vacuum, also known as the Bissell Featherweight. But it's the Bissell 3-in-1 vac lightweight vacuum. So is it the 3-in-1 vac lightweight vacuum or the 3-in-1 lightweight vacuum? Doesn't matter. What does matter is it has multi-purpose versatility. It has easily converts to a hand vacuum. It has a 15-foot power cord where you can easily clean whole rooms and stairs. That doesn't seem true. Quick release handle. Easy wrap cord storage. On-off switch. Ooh, that's a feature. It has an on-off switch. That's awesome. It has an easy empty dirt cup, easy glide wheels, and a removable floor nozzle. That's great on floors and stairs. Anyways, that was the quick unboxing of the Bissell 3-in-1 lightweight vacuum, which the box shows it has a clear bin. This has a teal colored bin, which I actually really like. So, should I return this? Because I don't need it, but I do really love this color. I do have a few of these, so if I sell 2 of them for $10 a piece, that pays for this. So maybe I should just do that. I don't know. But what I do know is that this color is very nice and very pretty, and I like it. But I'm probably going to return this. I don't know. Either way, a review of this is coming very soon, whether or not it's this one or the standard gray and blue one that I have 2 of currently. When was this manufactured? This was made on the 96th day of 2020. It's 2 amps, 120 volts, model 2030U. Isn't that nice? It smells like brand new plastic. Probably because it is. Anyways, this is Intelitech Studios signing out with a super quick and useless video of the unboxing and assembly tutorial of the Bissell 3-in-1 lightweight vacuum. This is Inteltech Studios signing out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.